Hi students, successfully we have completed the second term. Now we are moving to third term. Okay, now we are going to learn a new lesson. See, Tenali Rama and the thieves. Many of you have heard the story. Now we are going to learn the story. It is a comedy story, very interesting, humorous story, right? Okay, let me see the story. Yes, now take your book, page number 85. Tenali Rama and the thieves. Tenali Raman is a man. He is a wit. Wit means he is a knowledgeable person. Okay, he is the best fun. He can do the activities which is very humorous. Okay, now let me see this. See, gets at junction. Third question. What kind of a story do you think you are about to read? Yes, we all very like to read the comedy story, right? Yes, like this comedy story we are going to see now. Reading junction, page number 85. Wit is the ability to say or write things that are clever and funny. Wit means arivu. Wit means knowledge. Okay, what is the meaning of wit? Wit means knowledge. Here is one knowledgeable person is Tenali Rama. Okay, he is the knowledgeable person with clever and funny. And also he is too funny. Funny means he is very comedian and also he makes some humorous things. Okay, funny things. Yes. Here is a story about a man called Tenali Rama who was clever and witty. Is already told. He is a knowledgeable person and clever person. Right? Okay. Tenali Rama was a witty courtier. See, witty means showing inventive and quick verbal humor, which means if anyone say anything means at the spot giving the reply, it becomes a funny, right? Yes, he is a witty, yes, knowledgeable person. Witty courtier. Courtier means a person who attends a royal court as a companion or an advisor to a king or a queen. He is the advisor, okay, advisor to the king or a queen, okay, like the minister, right? Yes, see here, Tenali Rama was a witty courtier in the court of King Krishna Deva Raya. Who is the king here? Yes, Krishna Deva Raya. Krishna Deva Raya. Krishna Deva Raya is the king here. Okay, and Tenali Rama is the advisor. Yes, advisor for Krishna Deva Raya. Yes, of Vijayanagara. This thing is happened in Vijayanagara. Okay, Vijayanagara is a town or village, right? Vijayanagara. Okay, it is a place. Okay, in this place, the king is Krishna Deva Raya and his advisor is Tenali Rama. Okay, now of Vijayanagara. Tenali Rama had a special place in the king's heart because of his wit. The Tenali Rama is a knowledgeable person, so the king has a special place. There are so many advisors in the king's palace, but Tenali Rama wins the heart of king. King, who is the king? Yes, Krishna Deva Raya. Yes, see, the king's heart because of his wit, humor and intelligence. Humor, what is meant by humor? Yes, it is funny, nagichuvai, right? Yes, humor and intelligence. He is intelligent, already we know, right? Yes, he solved every problem that came his way and helped the king with his skills. Skills means thiran, okay? During with his skills, he is helping the king to solve the problem. If there is a palace, means there is many problems the king will face, right? To solve that problem, the advisor Tenali Rama is helping to the king to solve all the problems. So he wins the heart of the Krishna Deva Raya king, right? Yes, see, he solved every problem that came his way and helped the king with his skills. The king in return rewarded Rama with lots of valuable gifts. and he solved all the problems for the king, for the palace. So the king is giving, okay, the king give the gift of valuable gift. Valuable gift means it is very treasurable thing, okay, it is valuable. So the king is giving the valuable gifts. விலை மதிப்பு மிக்க gift வந்து கிங் கொடுக்காரு. ஏதாவது ஒரு ப்ராப்ளத்தை தெனாலிராமன் சால்வ் பண்ணார்னா உடனே the king will give the valuable gifts to Tenali Rama. Okay, everyone in the kingdom knew about these gifts. Everyone in the kingdom in that place, in that palace, everyone know the gift is very valuable, it is very treasure things, it can contains more money, like that everyone know that. Okay, all of Tenali Rama's friends warned, take next page 86, him to be careful as the gifts would definitely attract the attention of thieves and robbers. See, thieves means thirudan, yes, robbers, thieves and robbers. See, the Tenali Rama friend is advising to him, he is the advisor of the king, but his friends take care of Tenali Rama and saying, you got a lot of gifts from our king Krishnadevaraya, so all of the people can know about the gift, so you should be very careful, there is the robbers and thieves around our area, so you should be careful, like that his friends is warning him, right? Yes. So there were too many robberies in the neighboring village, and it was only a matter of time before the robbers came to Vijayanagara. Now the friends are saying, see, in near our village there is a robbers take the things, theft the things, like that they are saying, here nearby our house, near that street, like that all are saying. Neighboring villages means near village, okay, near village they theft, like that they are saying. Now in our Vijayanagara also the robbers came, like that the friends are warning him, but Tenali smiled as if he already had a plan. Now the Tenali is simply standing at like this, he is smiling, which means he already planned for that, right? Yes. One night when Tenali Rama and his wife were about to go to sleep, they heard leaves rustling outside. Now it is a night time, the Tenali Rama and his wife is going to sleep. At that time, rustling sound means, see, rustling means the sound of light, dry things moving together, which means the leaves, if the dry leaves move means it makes some noise, right? Yes, like that noise is coming from the outside of the house. So now the Tenali Rama is, what he is doing, let me see. Tenali looked out of the window and saw shadows moving on the wall. Now he is lightly opened the window and seeing through the window there is some shadow on the wall. Now he is find that it is a robbers or thieves, right? Yes. He signaled to his wife to stay quiet. Now near the window he is calling his wife and signal, don't talk, I am going to say something, you don't talk, like that he is signaling like this, okay? Yes. His wife whispered, they must be hiding in the backyard waiting for the right time to get inside. Now his wife is saying, his wife whispered means ரகசியம் சொல்ற மாதிரி, okay? Whispered means மெதுவா பேசுறாங்க. She is saying they must be hiding in the backyard waiting for the right time to get inside, which means அவங்க வந்து கரெக்ட் டைம் எப்போன்னு பார்த்துக்கிட்டு இருக்காங்க, நம்ம தூங்க போனால் நைஸாக உள்ளே வர்றதுக்கு பார்த்துட்டு இருக்காங்க. லைக் திஸ் he is whispering, அப்படி மெதுவாக அவங்க Tenali Raman ta solranga. Okay, Tenali Rama smiled. Now Tenali Rama is smiling. All of a sudden he spoke loudly to his wife. Then he is smiling and say the signal to his wife, shut up. Then he is loudly he is talking. I have heard that there are some thieves around and too many robberies are taking place in our neighborhood. Now the Tenali Raman is shout loudly he is saying, என் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்லாம் சொன்னாங்க நம்ம பக்கத்து வில்லேஜில் அங்கெல்லாம் ஒரே திருடா இருக்கு அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு, like that he is saying loudly, I am relieved that the valuable gifts of gold and silver given by the king are safe in the truck inside the well. So now he is saying, எனக்கு நிம்மதியா இருக்கு. I am relieved means எனக்கு நிம்மதியா இருக்கு. I feel very happy because I kept all the things in a trunk பெட்டின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க முந்தி, இரும்பு பெட்டி. ஓகே, I kept all the things, all the gifts, gold and silver, all I put in the trunk and put it in the well means கிணறு. ஓகே, கிணத்துல தூக்கி நான் வச்சுட்டேன். ஸோ எனக்கு கவலையே இல்லை, எந்த திருடன் வீட்டுக்குள்ள வந்தாலும் எதுவும் என்ன செய்யாது, ஒன்றும் ப்ராப்ளம் இல்லை, எனக்கு ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை. லைக் தட் he is shouting and saying to his wife, right? Yes, safe in the trunk inside the well. Nobody can even guess where we have hidden our possessions. Now he is saying, யாரை பற்றி எனக்கு கவலை இல்லை, எனக்கு யாராலையும் நம்ம இடத்த கண்டே பிடிக்க முடியாது. யார் வந்தாலும் என்ன செய்வாங்க, பீரோக்களை தேடுவாங்க, கட்டில் கீழே இருக்கான்னு தேடுவாங்க, வீட்டை தான் சுற்றி தேடுவாங்க, யாரும் வெளில போய் தேட மாட்டாங்க. ஸோ ஐ don't worry about anything. Like that he is saying loudly. Okay, now possession. See the possession. Possession means wealth. Wealth means panam. Yes, like that. Wealth, valimai. Okay. See, we can sleep peacefully now. Okay, now we can sleep peacefully. Come, let me sleep. Like that he is saying to his wife, and both are going to sleep. His wife agreed, yes, that was a brilliant plan. Now his wife is saying, yes, that is the brilliant plan. Yes, hereafter any robbers not come inside our house. Like that she is saying, she is thinking, and she is saying it is a brilliant plan, super plan. Like that she is saying. Okay, Rama and his wife then kept quiet and pretended to be asleep. Now they become quiet. Rama and his wife, Tenali Rama and his wife become quiet and moving to sleeping, but they are not sleeping, just going to pretend means பாசாங்கு, தூங்குற மாதிரி நடிக்கிறாங்க. ஓகே, எஸ், they even started snoring on hearing them snore. ஸ்னோர்னா கொரட்டை விடுற மாதிரி அப்படி பண்றாங்க. ஓகேவா? ஸோ the thieves who is in the backyard, பின்னாடி முத்தத்தில் இருக்கிறவங்க அது கேட்டுக்கிட்டு இருந்துட்டு, ஓகே தூங்கிட்டாங்க, அதுக்கு முன்னே தூங்கிட்டாங்க அப்படின்ட்டு, they are hearing the snoring sound. ஓகே, on hearing them snore, the thieves thought that they were fast asleep. Now the thieves are talking among themselves, சீக்கிரமாவே தூங்கிட்டாங்களே, நமக்கு சீக்கிரமா வேலை முடிஞ்சிடும் போலயே, ஓகே ஜாலி, like that they are speaking. They came out of the bushes taking care not to make any noise as they tiptoed on the well. Tiptoed to the well. Okay, which means they are behind the bushes. அந்த செடிக்கு பின்னாடி ஒளிஞ்சுக்கிட்டு இருந்தவங்க, அந்த வாலுக்கு உள்ள வர்றதுக்கு பின்னாடி ஒளிஞ்சுக்கிட்டு இருந்தவங்க இப்போ என்ன செய்யறாங்க, ஓகே எல்லாரும் தூங்க போயிட்டாங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு அப்படி காலை அப்படி பார்த்து எடுத்து வச்சு சவுண்டு கேட்காம மெதுவாக எங்கே வந்துட்டாங்க, they are coming near the well. While one of them stood guard, the other climbed down the well. One is காட்னா பாதுகாத்துட்டு இருக்கான், யாரும் வாராங்களா அப்படின்னு சொல்லி பார்க்கறதுக்கு ரெண்டு பேர் வந்திருக்காங்க. ஒருத்தன் வெளியே நின்று யாராவது வந்து வாராங்களா அப்படின்னு கவனிக்கிறதுக்கு ஒருத்தன் நிற்கான். Another one person is going inside the well and going to see the level of the water. தண்ணி நிறையா இருக்கா குறையா இருக்கா அது தெரிஞ்சால் தானே திருட முடியும். ஸோ he is going inside the well and seeing the level of the water. In a minute he came out of the well and said to the other thief. ஒரு நிமிஷத்துல கீழே இறங்கி பார்த்துட்டு மேலே வந்துட்டு சொல்றான், there is a lot of water in the well. Now he is saying there is a lot of water in the well. நிறைய தண்ணி இருக்கு. The trunk cannot be taken out. கண்டிப்பா நம்மளா அந்த இதை என்ன செய்ய முடியாது, ட்ரங்க் பெட்டியை எடுக்க முடியாது. It would be better if we draw some water from the well. இது வந்து ஒரு சூப்பர் ஐடியா. என்னன்னா அந்த தண்ணியை கொஞ்சம் இறைச்சிட்டோம்னா, தண்ணியை தூக்கி வெளியே ஊற்றிட்டோம்னா நம்ம ஈஸியாக போய் எடுத்துட்டு வந்துடலாம். லைக் திஸ் he is giving a plan. Okay, then we can easily remove their heavy trunk. It looks so heavy that I am sure it has enough gold to last for the rest of our lives. He is saying if we take the trunk means we have lot and lot of money, so that hereafter we not want to do any work, simply we will sit and eat. Like that it is enough for our life. Like that he is saying. Okay, they saw that the well was not very deep, and then here they are seeing the well. Okay, it is not very deep, I think so. அதாவது ரொம்ப ஆழமா இருக்கிற மாதிரி தெரியல, நம்ம டக்குன்னு இறச்சிட்டா டக்குன்னு எடுத்துட்டு போயிடலாம் அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி பிளான் போடுறாங்க. They thought they could empty it by daybreak. Daybreak means பகல். Okay, daybreak, and escape with the treasure. காலையில விடியறதுக்கு முன்னக்கூட்டி நம்ம என்ன செஞ்சிடலாம், தண்ணியை கொஞ்சம் இறச்சி ஊத்திட்டு டக்குன்னு போய் எடுத்துட்டு போயிடலாம். Like that they are planning. The thieves waited for a while and stealthily means in such a way as to not draw attention. In such a way as to not draw attention, which means see here, the thieves waited for a while. கொஞ்ச நேரம் அப்படி வெயிட் பண்ணி பார்க்கறாங்க. And stealthily means திருட்டுத்தனமா. ஓகேவா, அப்படி மெதுவா சவுண்டே கேட்காம அப்படி மெதுவா போய் began to draw bucket after bucket of water from the well. Now they are putting the bucket slowly inside the well, then taking the bucket outside from the well and taking it and pouring the water down, then putting the bucket, then pouring the bucket water and put it out, pour it out. Likewise they are doing again and again. Okay, began to draw bucket after bucket of water from the well. Water started flowing through the backyard, spreading in all direction. Now they are pouring the water from the well. Okay, this is the well. Okay, this is the well. They are pouring the water. One standing here and taking the bucket inside the well and pouring the water near them. That goes in all direction. Okay, all direction the water is splitting and moving, right? Yes. See, the thieves waited bucket from the well. Water started flowing through the backyard, spreading in all direction. Now the water is moving in all direction. The well is deeper than we thought. Now one is saying, நம்ம நினைச்சதை விட இது ரொம்ப ஆழமா இருக்கு. Like that he is saying, this is never ending, said one thief. இது முடியவே போறதில்லை, நம்ம இன்னைக்கு மாட்ட தான் போறோம். Like that one thief is saying. By now Tenali Rama had crept out of the house and was hiding behind a huge mango tree. Now Tenali Rama, crept means naharndu. Okay va? Now Tenali Rama wake up. Now he know, yes, the thieves are started their work to take all the water from the well. So this is the right time we can go outside. Like that he is thinking, and he wake up slowly and crept means meduva nagarndu, right? He is moving and going near the mango tree. There is one mango tree in the backyard. பின்னாடி முத்தத்துல என்ன இருக்கு, ஒரு பெரிய மேங்கோ ட்ரீ இருக்கு. அதுக்கு பின்னாடி போய் ஒளிஞ்சு நின்னுக்கிட்டு என்ன செய்தாங்க தீஃப் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி தெனாலிராமர் பார்க்கறாங்க. ஓகே, ரைட். Crept out of the house and was hiding behind a huge mango tree. He covered his head with a shawl and started digging a trench to guide the water to the plants and trees in the yard. See, he covered his face with the shawl, head with the shawl. அந்த துணியை தூக்கி தலையில் எப்படி தூக்கி போட்டுட்டு அப்படி நைஸாக பார்த்துட்டு அவங்க என்ன செய்கிறாங்கன்னு பார்த்துட்டு என்ன செய்றாங்க? எஸ், அண்ட் ஸ்டார்டட் டிக்கிங் எ ட்ரென்ச். ட்ரென்ச் மீன்ஸ் அகழி. அகழினா இந்த தண்ணி பாயறதுக்கு இப்படி இப்படி தண்ணி எல்லா செடிக்கும் போறதுக்கு இப்படி தோண்டி விடுவாங்க தெரியுமா? இப்படி டிக் பண்ணி விடுவாங்க லைட்டாக இப்படி இப்படி இது பண்ணி விட்டுட்டு அங்கேருந்து தண்ணி இங்கே ஃப்ளோ ஆக ஆரம்பிச்சிடும். ஸோ லைக் தட் ஹி இஸ் ட்ரென்ச், ரைட்? ட்ரென்ச் டு கைட் த வாட்டர் டு த பிளான்ஸ் அண்ட் ட்ரீஸ் இன் த யார்ட். அந்த தோட்டத்தில் உள்ள அவ்வளோ செடிக்கும் தண்ணி பாயிற மாதிரி அப்படி சத்தமே கேட்காம லைட்டாக அப்படி தோண்டி தோண்டி டிக் பண்ணி விடுறாங்க. The thieves who were busy drawing water from the well neither noticed Rama digging a trench nor did they see him sneak back into the house. அந்த தீவ்ஸ் வந்து அந்த தண்ணியை மோடுறதுலையும் என்ன செய்கிறாங்க? தண்ணியை மோடுறது தூர ஊத்துற, தண்ணியை வர்றது தூர ஊத்துற அந்த இதுலேயே இருக்காங்க. ஸோ தே ஆர் நாட் பாதர் அபவுட் த தெனாலி ராமா. தே திங்க் தே போத் went to sleep, so they want to wake up like that they think, and they are doing the thing which is dropping and water flowing, send the water out, like that they are doing. At that time Rama came out and take the water from dig the trench to all plants. Okay, the thieves are not mind about the Rama. After drawing water from the well for some time, the thieves were dog tired. Dog tired, what is the meaning for dog tired? Yes, extremely tired. Yes, all over the night. Yes, all over the night the both thieves are taking the water and down the water, taking and down like this. They are doing like this and they get extremely tired, very tired now. Yes, one of them suggested, let us both slip into the well and bring the trunk out. Now one thief is saying, இப்படி பண்ணனா இன்னைக்குள்ள முடியாது, அவா டயர்டாக இருக்குது, நம்ம ஏதாவது என்ன பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு நம்ம ரெண்டு பேரும் சேர்ந்து உள்ளே குதிச்சு அந்த ட்ரங்க் பெட்டியை வெளியே எடுத்துகிட்டு வந்துடலாம். லைக் திஸ் ஹி இஸ் கிவிங் எ ஐடியா, ரைட்? ட்ரங்க் அவுட், இட் இஸ் டூ ஹெவி டு பி கேரிட் அலோன். ஒருத்தர் மட்டும் தூக்கிட்டு வந்தோம்னா அது ரொம்ப வெயிட்டாக இருக்கும். ஸோ ரெண்டு பேர் சேர்ந்து குதிச்சு எடுத்துகிட்டு வந்துடலாம். லைக் தட் ஹி இஸ் கிவிங் ஐடியா. So both of them got into the well together. They huffed and puffed and started searching for the trunk. Now both are going inside the well and they are searching for the trunk. Yes, trunk means and the petty. Okay, that box. For that box they are going and searching for the box and making inside the water. We are not able to get oxygen, means we will do like that. Yes, they are doing huffed and puffed. Huffed and puffed means they are making like that, they are making such noise, right? With great effort they brought the trunk out and fell on the ground exhausted. Then after all searching they found the trunk and taking it and coming out, right? அது தூக்கிட்டு வந்து கிரவுண்டில் வெளியே வந்து விழுந்துட்டு முடியவே இல்லை. லைக் தட் தே ஆர் ஃபீலிங் எக்ஸாஸ்டட். வாட் இஸ் த மீனிங் ஃபார் எக்ஸாஸ்டட்? எஸ், எக்ஸாஸ்டட் மீன்ஸ் டு பி லெஃப்ட் வித் நோ ஸ்ட்ரென்த் ஆர் எனர்ஜி. Become very tired. There is no energy in their body. They become very tired. Okay, now they were faced with the task of opening the trunk. Now again one problem. First the thief faced the problem to draw the water from the well. Then they face the problem, go inside and search the trunk. Then they face the problem. Yes, now it is tough to open the trunk. It is the main problem, right? For that only they came, right? Yes, they panted and puffed again as Rama had used a very sturdy lock. Yes, Rama already locked with a sturdy means திறக்க முடியாத அளவுக்கு நல்லா டைட்டா ராமா வந்து லாக் பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கான். Okay, so it is very tough for them to open that trunk. They finally managed to open the trunk. அப்போ ஒரு வழியா என்னத்தையும் வச்சு அடி நடிச்சு ஓப்பன் ஆயிட்டு. Okay, now the trunk is open. To their horror and dismay they discovered that there was no sign of any gold or jewelry. See, அந்த பெட்டியை ஓபன் பண்ணாங்க. shock, horror means திகில், okay, and dismay na திகைப்பு. ஐயோ இதுக்கா இவ்வளோ கஷ்டப்பட்டோம், ஐயோ நம்ம கஷ்டப்பட்டதெல்லாம் வேஸ்டா போச்சு. Like that they discovered that there was no sign of gold or jewelry. ஒரு தங்க இருந்த மாதிரியும் தெரியல, ஒரு ஜுவல்ஸ் இருந்த மாதிரியும் தெரியல, இதுக்கா இவ்வளோ கஷ்டப்பட்டோம் அப்படின்ட்டு அப்படி ஷாக் ஆகி போய் இருக்காங்க. It was stuffed with some old vessels and cloths. What are inside the trunk? Yes, there is old vessels and cloths. Vessels means பாத்திரம், பழைய காலத்தில் யூஸ் பண்ண அந்த வாட்டை பாத்திரம் அதெல்லாம் உள்ள இருக்கு. And cloths, some cloths are there, துணிகள். Okay, they now realized that they had been outsmarted by the witty Rama. இப்பதான் உங்களுக்கு புரியுது, இவன் ஏதோ already they know. Yes, Rama is a witty man. Witty man means he is a knowledgeable person, right? Yes, already they know. Now they understand the plan of Rama, right? They now realize that they had been outsmarted. Outsmarted means, see, outsmarted means tricked. Now they understand that yes, Rama tricked us. Like that they understand by the witty Rama. At that moment they heard a voice calling out to them. To their surprise, it was Tenali Rama himself. Some noise is coming there. Now they are seeing there is who? Tenali Rama is coming. Yes, he said, "Hey dear fellows, please draw some more buckets of water from the well. Only 2 more plants need to be watered." Now the Tenali Rama entering to that place and saying, "Hey dear fellows, ஏய் இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் தண்ணி இறங்கப்பா, இறச்சிங்கன்னா இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் ஒரு 2-3 செடி தான் தண்ணி வைக்க வேண்டியிருக்கு, நீங்க இறச்சிங்கன்னா அதுவும் முடிஞ்சிடும்." Like that he is saying funny. Yes, he is a humorous man, right? Yes, so he is making such noise like that. Yes, buckets of water from the well, only 2 more plants need to be watered. Make it fast, it is close to dawn. சீக்கிரம் பண்ணுங்க, விடிய போகுது, சீக்கிரம் பண்ணுங்க. Like that he is making a funny, right? Thank you for watering my garden. Now Tenali Rama is saying thank you for the thieves, for thieves. To the thieves he is saying thank you thieves, you are did a great job for me. Like that he is saying, I must pay you for this. My plants thank you too. நான் கண்டிப்பா உங்களுக்கு நன்றி கடன் பட்டிருக்கேன். நீங்க என் பிளான்ஸ்க்கு என்ன செஞ்சிட்டீங்க, தண்ணி ஊத்திட்டீங்க, அது போக என் பிளான்ஸும் உங்களுக்கு தேங்க்ஸ் சொல்லும். Okay, like this he is making a comedy, right? On hearing this, the 2 thieves ran to Tenali Rama and asked for his forgiveness. இதெல்லாம் சொல்றத பார்த்தோன்னே அப்பாடி அவ்வளோதான், நம்மளை கிங்கு கிட்ட போட்டு மாட்டி விட்டுருமோ அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு all the 2 thieves, okay, 2 thieves going near to the Tenali Rama and begged for forgiveness. என்ன மன்னிச்சிரு, எங்களை மன்னிச்சிரு, நாங்கள் இனிமே பண்ண மாட்டோம். Like that they are asking forgiveness. We are sorry, please forgive us, they pleaded. திரும்பி கேட்காங்க, சாரி நாங்கள் இனிமேல் இப்படி பண்ண மாட்டோம், எங்களை மன்னிச்சிரு அப்படின்னு. Tenali Rama let them go when they promised not to steal or rob anyone ever again. Now the Tenali Rama is saying, okay, you want to promise me one thing, hereafter you won't steal any other things. Like that if you promise me, I will leave you. Like that he is giving a chance. So that 2 robbers, the 2 thieves give promise to him and they went, right? From this story what we have learned? Yes, we want to be knowledge. Yes, we want to be a witty person, right? So he see here Tenali Rama is a witty person and give the lesson to the thieves. Yes, இப்படி திருட கூடாது அப்படிங்கிறதுக்கு ஒரு பாடமே கத்து கொடுத்துட்டான், right? So we want to be a witty person, right? Okay, and your homework is learn the synonyms. Okay, learn and write all the synonyms. Okay students, I hope you all enjoy this story, right? Yes, we will continue in the next class. Okay, thank you students.